to the camera.
What's going on?
Oh God! Apocalypse! Relating to group love. Dance with me, Katherine. Oh my God, the sky looks so fake right now.
It is fake.
I'm waiting for you to fall in the water.
Yeah, I'm giving up on looking back. Yeah, I'm letting go of what I had. Yeah, I'm itching on a photograph.
The ground has a belly button and the tree is scary. What's wrong here? Everything!
Katherine, you have to hold back the vines for me. I'm helpless. Wildlife. Going through the water
What do you have to say about this?
Say about what?
Everything. Life.
42.
So, this is an old mine place? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought it was.
And yeah, I'm swinging on a branch that lands. Yeah, I'm going up and falling back. Yeah, I'm itching on a photograph.
Lauren in history. Be amazed. We're in nature. We're like the crocodile hunter. We're gonna go find some crocodiles. What are you doing? It looks like a toilet seat.
This is what thunder does to trees, guys. This is what thunder does. She's a brick castle. Gonna get some hot stuff, baby, tonight. Gonna get some hot stuff, yeah. Gonna get some hot stuff, baby, tonight. She's so hot. Work it. Work it, hot stuff. Work it!